Tonight, a 10-year-old boy accused of shooting another child in Sacramento has been released from custody with no charges filed.
That's according to the victim's family, who got the news from the DA. CBS 13's Tori Apodaca getting answers on why the child was likely released. Tori.
Yeah, a spokesperson from here at the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office confirmed with us today that they also heard that 10-year-old was going to be released. That, of course, is the same thing that the 10-year-old victim, Keith Frierson, commonly known as KJ's family, has been telling us. So what determines how the district attorney makes this call? We're getting answers.
How is he going to know that what he did was wrong? It was not okay.
These are the questions a grieving mother wants answered after the 10-year-old boy accused of shooting and killing her 10-year-old son, KJ, was released from custody.
I'm very angry that they did this so quickly.
KJ's family says the Youth Detention Center confirmed with them Thursday that the Sacramento County District Attorney did not file any charges and the child was released.
10-year-olds are not typically of enough intelligence, of the right mind or sound mind to be able to understand murder, to understand the killing of another human being on purpose.
Local attorneys we speak with who have dealt with juvenile criminal cases say the reason charges weren't filed is because any crime requires intent, and kids under 14 can't inform intent.
The defendant knew or certainly should have known that the child was aware that the gun was in the car.
The DA's office says the sole criminal liability and responsibility for the child's death lays exclusively with Arquette Davis, the dad of the 10-year-old accused of pulling the trigger.
As a result of the defendant's conduct, Your Honor, the child got a hold of the stolen, loaded firearm, discharged it, and caused the death of another 10-year-old child.
But how much of a fall Davis will be taking for the murder is still left to be seen.
All of these offenses that he's been arrested for are considered nonviolent. And that's going to be the real tragedy of this whole thing, where a 10-year-old boy lost his life completely unnecessarily, and really no one will pay for it.
KJ's family feeling failed by California's justice system.
A 10-year-old can kill another 10-year-old and go home as if he was just put on like a timeout, like maybe he didn't clean his room.
As they try to stay strong for the little boy whose big dreams
He wanted to be a police officer or an influencer.
Were cut short.
We try to protect him from everything in the world, not thinking that I couldn't send my child outside with another child. He called a friend. It's not okay.
So Arquette Davis is due back in court tomorrow at 8:30 for a bail motion. KJ's family hopes that additional charges will be added, and also that lawmakers see what happened to KJ and make a change. That way this won't happen to any other families.
Yeah, and KJ's mom's words echoing, it's not okay. None of that is okay. Such a tragic story. Tori, thank you. We've also learned the boy who was killed was a student at Strouk Elementary School. The district issued a statement tonight saying, quote, losing a child is an unspeakable tragedy, and our entire Twin Rivers school community is mourning alongside Keith's family and friends. The district will have counselors for students when they go back to class from winter break on Monday.